Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the Alienware AW2725DF's best settings. So I have created this table for you so that you could understand which settings would be best for you. So first we have the basic setup. So in the connection type, you need to make sure that the display port is 280 Hz or the HDMI for up to 240 Hz. Graphic cards, you need to ensure it supports 280 Hz at 1080p resolution. Now we have the picture settings in which brightness can be set on 80%, contrast 75%, sharpness 50%. The color temperature should be this, in which the custom color R should be 100, G 98 and B should be 96. Now the response time should be set on fast. After that, in the gaming settings, the refresh rate can set up to 280 Hz via the display port. NVIDIA G Sync should be enabled. AMD FreeSync Premium Pro feature should be enabled, and the overdrive should be set on extreme. Now in the productivity settings, the brightness for work should set on 60% in order to reduce the eye strain. In the preset mode, it should be sRGB for accurate color reproduction. Comfort view should be enabled. The color calibration, you can use a hardware calibration tool for the best color accuracy, and in the content testing you can test settings with the different content type like game, videos and work documents, and you can adjust it as per your need. So these are some of the settings that you can use for Alienware AW2725DF. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.